do I have a deal for you guys. Currently, there's a sale going that can save you almost $1,000 off an EG4 setup. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but you can get a kit just like I've got right here with the 12,000 XP, a conduit box, an indoor wall mount battery, and a charge inverter for reduced pricing. Okay guys, let me just show you this price comparison. It's crazy. On the left right here, I have a selection of all my equipment from Signature Solar. And then on the right, I have all my equipment selected from one of my favorite places of all time, Payoff Solar. Local company to me, but they ship stuff all over the country, anywhere you need. So check this out. With these 4 items, we have a subtotal of $6,465. But then we get slapped with a pretty decent sized shipping fee. I did find a coupon code that I threw in there just for fun, $50. And then you get slapped with tax. Now your tax rate may vary based on where you're located. By the time you add all of that up, we've got a total of $7,156.68, which isn't terrible. But just take a look over here at Payoff Solar. Same 4 items, okay? And then I've got a discount code. It's TRICK5, so be sure and use that. That's gonna knock off $334. And then on top of that, shipping is only $10. And so your grand total out the door, $6,355. That is a major difference between these two. So I'm gonna have links to all 4 of these items down in the description to Payoff Solar. They have other stuff as well, so feel free to browse that. My coupon code should work for everything on the website. Yeah, so grab that deal while you can. See if you can take advantage of the tax credit before that expires. If you've been waiting to pull the trigger on EG4 equipment, now would be the time to do it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and hype. Let's get this video out in front of more eyeballs. Besides, you'll want to be part of the channel anyway, so you don't miss future opportunities like this one. All right, everyone, stay safe, and we'll catch y'all next time.